What's up, guys? Welcome and thank you so much for watching again. I'm going to try to make a video today out here on the Boise River. I'm fishing kind of in between Middleton and Star today. This is one of my favorite spots growing up. I fished here for like 5 or 6 years straight. Probably even longer than that, probably like 8 years straight to be honest, but it's just beautiful out here. Super pretty. And I don't know, the Boise River, in my opinion, it's a pretty hit and miss fishery, but do not get me wrong, it is a hidden gem, and there are tons of 20-inch wild trout to be caught in a lot of different sections of it, browns and rainbows. So I'm just gonna throw on a worm today, I think, using trusty dusties, and see if we can get on some big fish. That'd be super cool. Thanks so much for watching again, guys. Hopefully we'll catch something today. When I say trusty dusty, I'm sure y'all already know, but this is a trusty dusty. I used to call them worms, then I heard someone call them a trusty dusty. I forgot who it was, and gosh, I just love it so much more. Rigging up my dusty. Da 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 da. Just rigging up my dusty. So my wader's broke, so I'm just gonna send it in the pants today. But it's so hot lately that it doesn't even matter. It feels so good. Setup we're using, this is a ultralight rod. It's a Fenix Maxim, or however you say it. I love these rods though, they're super nice. And it's just Abu Garcia reel with 6-pound line, using a size 6 hook, 2 split shots, and a worm. Live night crawler, just floating her down. If you want to catch the fish, you got to go where the fish are. They're not in there. They're not in here. Honestly, they're probably not in here either. Alright, so the water's still pretty high, but that's fine. Alright, well, I've been trying over here for a minute. Had a couple bites, but no commitment. And this high water is making for really tough fishing. So I'm just gonna send her. Oh, it's a strong current, dude. Strong current. Strong current. I might take a swim, to be real. That might be what happens. It ain't gonna happen. I don't think it's gonna happen. It's just too fast. I failed. I wasn't strong enough. I wasn't strong enough to cross the river. Guess what? I made it to the other side of the river. Don't ask me how. I'm sorry, Mom. I just know that there's big fish over here. And the holes over here are a lot more fishable than that stuff. Way more fishable. Yeah. Oh, fish, fish, big fish. Oh my gosh, really big fish. Really big fish. Huge, okay, big. Let's go. Big rainbow on, guys. Really, really big rainbow on. Huge rainbow. All right, so, oh, I gotta figure this out. That was nuts. That was absolutely awesome. He's just running down. I gotta chase this fish. He's taking me all the way down. This is crazy, dude. Big trout. Big wild rainbow. Come on, net. Come here, baby. Come here. Good fish. Freaking good trout, dude. Oh, let's go. Let's go. I worked so hard for this fish, you guys. I worked so hard. Look at that bow. Just so beautiful. Gorgeous wild bow. Oh man. So slimy. All right, guys, got her unhooked. One last look at this fish. Barely get out of the net, she's so big. Beautiful, absolutely gorgeous wild rainbow. There she is right there. Off she goes, dude. Let's go. That was so cool. Oh, this rod just went off too. I had it down for a second. Wait, what the? I got a fish, but I also have a piece of grass on. But a fish also. Oh, and a big fish. I got a big fish. More big fish coming up. Dude, this feels huge, whatever this is. Dude, I've got a donkey hooked. I've got a donkey hooked. Another trout. Another really good trout, dude. Another really good trout. Come here, baby. It's a brownie too. Let's go. Boise River brownie. Haha. Let's go. All right, guys. So just caught like a beautiful, absolutely beautiful Boise River brown trout. Just gorgeous. Right under the log, dude. Oh my gosh. So big rainbow, pretty good sized brown trout, gorgeous brown trout.